No one becomes a millionaire overnight, especially not if you start broke. But boring habits done for 15 years? That's how regular people actually do it. Forget crypto, lottery, and influencers. The data is clear. 88% of millionaires in America are first generation. They weren't born rich. They built it step by step. This is the boring path, the one that works. From $0 to $1 million. No hype, just math, time, and discipline. Let's break it down. Step 1. Get income. Any income. First job, side hustle, trades. The goal isn't $100,000 yet. The goal is to stop being $0. Start the engine. Average first paycheck in the US, $1,200. Most people spend 100% of it. Millionaires don't. They spend 90% and save 10% from day one. Step 2. Track every dollar. You can't grow what you don't measure. Apps, spreadsheets, notebook. Boring? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Awareness creates control. Step 3. Build a $1,000 emergency fund. Car brakes. Medical bill. Without this, you'll go into debt and kill all progress. This is your shield. Step 4. Kill high-interest debt. Credit cards at 24% will eat you alive. Pay minimums on everything. Attack the smallest balance first. Snowball method. Step 5. Learn to invest. Not trading. Not meme coins. Broad market index funds. S&P 500. Set it and forget it for decades. Historical S&P 500 return. About 7% after inflation. Not sexy, but $500 a month for 30 years becomes over $500,000. Math doesn't lie. Step 6. Automate everything. Pay yourself first. Money moves to savings and investments before you can spend it. Remove willpower from the equation. Step 7. Increase income. New skills, promotion, side business. Save 50% of every raise. Lifestyle creep is the #1 wealth killer. Year 1 to 3. Portfolio hits $10,000. It feels slow. You want to quit. Don't. Compound interest is invisible for the first 5 years. Year 4 to 7. Portfolio hits $50,000 to $100,000. Now you see it. Market dips happen. You keep buying. That's how you get shares on sale. Step 8. Use real estate. Not a flip. To live and build equity. Buy a modest home. 20% down. Let time and tenants pay it. House isn't an expense if it replaces rent. Plus it builds equity. In 15 years, that $300,000 house could be worth $500,000. Step 9. Protect it. Insurance will low fees. One lawsuit or 2% fee can erase a decade of work. Boring protection matters. Year 8 to 12. Portfolio crosses $250,000. At 7% returns, that makes $17,500 per year without you working. Money starts working for you. This is where most people quit. Life gets expensive. Kids, cars, upgrades. Millionaires delay gratification. They drive the same car for 10 years. Step 10. Reinvest everything. Dividends, raises, bonuses. All go back into assets. No new liabilities. Keep living like you're still broke. Year 13 to 15. Portfolio hits $500,000. Compound interest is now doing half the work. You just have to not mess it up. Taxes matter. Use 401k, Roth IRA, HSA. Legal ways to keep more of your money. A tax pro pays for itself. Avoid the traps. Get-rich-quick schemes, high fees, timing the market, keeping up with friends. Wealth is what you don't see. Years 16 to 20. Portfolio crosses $750,000. Home equity adds another $200,000. You're close. Still working. Still saving. Still boring. Then one day you check. $1 million net worth. Investments plus home equity plus cash. It took 15 to 20 years. Not 6 months. You're not a celebrity. You still take the bus sometimes. But you're free. And that's what poor people who became millionaires actually did. Subscribe and see you on the next video.